Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another video. I really appreciate your support, guys. What we got here today, it's just a quick video of me just doing the airbrush, and I wanted to explain how I did it because in the previous video I actually didn't say anything. I just posted the video and let you guys watch it. Well, pretty much what I wanted to say is airbrushing, I thought it was gonna be a lot more difficult than what really was. It's actually the first time I'm doing the mask, so it's a win for me to learn, and that it didn't come out awful. It's another win. Mostly doing this kind of expensive mask. Pretty much what I did was I bought metallic black acrylic paint, and I got the acrylic thinner, so you could mix it as much as you can and water down the paint as much as you could. So instead of being a dark black, it was like a grayish black, so in case you overdid it, it wouldn't affect too much, you know. By doing this, I decided to just start with the seams of the mask because that's where the weather I feel should be, not in the front or in the sides. I think that's the part where it's more desirable and it outstands the mask more. It makes the mask look way better. And I feel by doing the weathering in the seams of the mask and in the face of the mask, like by the eyes and everything, it makes the mask outstand a lot more and make it look very more dirty, but at the same time it doesn't make it look overdone. It brings out the eyes, it brings out the mouth and the cheeks and everything else more. It gives it a certain touch, and I would suggest you can either do this with an airbrush or you can use a sponge. I just dip it in the paint lightly, but water down the paint previously, so you don't have to worry about it. And to clean it out with acrylic paint is water based, so it's very simple. You just use water. So have a sponge in your other hand and a lot of water just in case you do something you don't like. And test it. Always test everything in fabric that you don't care about, just in case it's not. You could do that, and from there you'll see if it is what you like or not. And if you don't like it, you stop and you change your style. But it's very easy, very worth it, and I actually have pretty much a lot of fun doing this. I cannot complain. And you're wearing the whole suit, like you can see it. It took me a couple minutes because I had the paint so too dark. It would look as dark as the eyes, and that's not good either, because you just want to make it look that it was weathered down, dirty. Decided to go with a marker. You just gotta give that kind of detail. Well guys, thank you for watching. I just want to bring that out. Please let me know what you guys think. Have a great day. And have a great day. Have a good one, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Peace.